Okay, and password. So through the web interface, we are getting login. This 3 password. Okay, sign. Okay, so go for connect to the classic console and again provide the details here. Okay, and get sign in. All right, now you can go for HUBK. Okay, select start from DAPT. Okay, run this. Just go for here. Specify that
Case
BHU
sensitive.
chu.b.
yeah, BK is showing that case sensitive thing. Let me try this. Case sensitive most load. You can see that we have the 4 records. These 4 records we loaded into the Tableau now. So let me insert
So,
data.
Srinivas, what was the issue earlier? Like, why we getting a database connection problem?
So that is the external. Actually, we are connecting with another server, so it's
Okay.
not getting connected to the Snowflake. Okay, that's the database. This application to the Snowflake, the connection getting failed. Okay. Something we need to Google
Okay,
it.
okay.
It will take some time.
Okay,
Okay.
thanks.
Okay. So now I connected to the web API, Snowflake web API. Here we are running it. Okay. So insert into tables, table name, and values which we have it, DAPT, number, comma, the name, comma, location. Okay, values. So what is the DAPT number we can specify? 60 or 50? 50, comma, any string you can write it, it should be in single quotations. So department name, which department we can give it? IT department or help desk. Okay, comma, location. Go. Okay. So can I insert this record here? Okay, I just taken that database and schema name as well. So one row is inserted. So just run this, select, start from. So record is inserted here.
Yes.
So now I can go for my Tableau desktop, right mouse on here. I'm going to extract, refresh. Okay.
Here in this case, we are doing manual. Yes.
Yeah, in desktop level, we do it manually. When you go to server level, we automate it.
Okay.
Okay. So maybe it's refreshed. So, but still I'm not getting that record here. So how we can get record is because we put manually here, refresh is manual. So
Yeah.
go for it, uncheck that auto update worksheet. Can you
Yeah,
find
got
this?
Yes.
Okay, similarly filters as well. So that is this auto updating thing. Okay. So either if you put automatically, once you extract is refresh, automatically it will be loaded into the visualization. If you make it as manual automation, if you uncheck it manually, you can refresh. Okay. So why we can put it, which cases we can put it manually is, okay. So generally I have 100 sheets are there. Okay, 100 sheets are there. Total 100 sheets, I don't want to load the data at a time. Total 100 sheets, I don't want to load the data at a time. So I needed only for one sheet, I want to see the data. Then you can go for, this is only worksheet level. Okay, this is only this particular worksheet level. So if you put it manually, only this particular worksheet you can auto manually update it and see the data. At a time you loaded 100 sheets, the data can be updated into 100 sheets. It will time taken to update all the worksheets and get the visualization. Okay. If you want to see the data, it will take 1 minute or 2 minutes time to display in this worksheet, because all the 100 sheets get updated, then only you can see the data. Okay. It will show that process time to update it. Okay. All the refresh data loaded into it. That's why we can put it as manual automatic to the worksheet level. Which sheet you want to load it first, then go for that sheet and check this. So the data can be loaded into only that particular worksheet. Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Everyone?
So Srinivas, for separate worksheets, we can, set this option, right? So one worksheet can be auto update, other cannot be auto update. That's what you're saying.
It's like update at a sheet level only. So
Okay.
here you can see that auto updated. The option is auto update is there. When you go with the previous sheet, it is play option. It's like a not auto update. Okay, sheet level option it is. I'm saying the same
Okay.
point. Here you can see
Okay.
that it's manual update. If you go into another sheet, it's auto update option is enabled.
Okay.
Okay. Sheet
Okay.
wise,
Thanks.
however you want it, you can put it. Clear this? That's
Sir,
option which we have it.
one
Sheet level.
small doubt, sir.
Yeah.
So the new record which we inserted just now,
Yeah.
okay, on top of that we have created another sheet, a new sheet in our Tableau now.
Yeah.
After creating that sheet, do we have to auto update it once again, or that will be taken automatically by the Tableau?
Not required. It will automatically. And this see this. So you have used it same. Let's go for see this. Here also you make it as unchecked it. So two sheets are there. In the one sheet, the two sheets are, let's uncheck it. The two sheets are, you can see this is also manually update and this is also manually update. Okay, once record refreshed it, if you play it, then only loaded into this worksheet. Again, if you go with another worksheet, here also you need to be manually do that. Okay, then only it will be loaded to this particular worksheet.
Okay.
Got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now freshly you are creating. It's by default is auto update. Once you drag it, automatically the record will be loaded. Okay. No need to refresh it here. No need to refresh here. When we created new worksheet, but two sheets are you already created. Two sheets you put it as a manual. So manually you need to update the two worksheets. Then only data load into two different worksheets. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So that's we have it as worksheet options. What are the options we have in the worksheet level? These are all the options which we have in the worksheet window. Okay. So next, let's go for to the small concept here. Can we go ahead here? Yeah, fine. So let me build some visualizations and bring that. What is the requirement of that hierarchies? Why we are going to be creating hierarchies and what are the different types of hierarchies we have it. Okay. So before going to it, we've built some visualizations. So let me go with the sample superstores. I have a category and category wise sales. Okay. This is a category wise sales, right? And I can go for one more visualization where I have subcategory wise sales. Where I have subcategory wise sales. It's only subcategory wise sales. And one more sheet I can create it category, subcategory wise sales. Category and subcategory wise sales. Just I put it in vertical bars. Okay. And one more sheet I can create it category, subcategory, manufacturer wise sales. So manufacturer wise sales also I want to see that. What is the category and subcategory and manufacturer? The related sales I want to see it. Okay. And I want to create one more sheet which I have it total category, subcategory, manufacturer, and what is the product name and related sales and profit. Only sales, you can take it only sales, just take the sales only. Or either sales or profit, any one of it, you can take it and drag it here. See this? So how many worksheets I created now? 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 5 worksheets. So let's drag these 5 worksheets into the dashboard. Okay, from 9. This is about the, okay, leave this one 9 from 10. Drag the 10 dash sheet 10 and sheet 11, sheet 12, sheet 13 as well. Okay, I have this kind of visualization. So here we can see that the first one is subcategory wise sales. This is giving that subcategory wise sales, and it's given category and subcategory wise sales, each category and subcategory wise sales, and it's getting us category, subcategory, manufacturer wise sales. Who is the manufacturer for that particular product? What's the total sales about manufacturer level? So we have the iPhone sales. What are the different types of iPhones are sold out? What is the total sales of that Apple? Okay, what is the total sales of the Apple organization? Kind of thing here. Motor total sales and Nortel others. Okay, Panasonic and different Cisco. What is the total sales happen? So manufacturer wise, I want to see that Apple total sales, AT&T total sales, Ativa, Avaya. So this kind of sales we can see it. Similarly, you can go with this visualization. I can see that each product wise, what is the total sales is happen. Each product wise, what is the total sales is happen. I can see that. All right. So this kind of visualization client asked us, so we deliver it to him. We deliver it to him. Okay. So when he see this visualization, he may ask us, is it possible to reduce this many number of reports? I want to build a single visualization where I can see that all levels of data. Whenever I want to see it, category level of sales, I can able to see that. Whenever I want to go for dig into the detail level, subcategory, manufacturer and product level, I want to see those levels of data into the same visualization level itself. Okay, in a single visualization, I want to see that all levels of data. Can we do that? So why I can go for refer these many reports for this similar data. So can we build a single visualization for all this information? Is it possible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it is possible. So how we can do that? How can we do that? So we can go for create a hierarchies. We can go for create a hierarchies. So it's like in a single visualization, we can see that all levels of data, avoiding that multiple visualization, avoiding to create a multiple visualization. We don't require to create 5 different visualization. In a single visualization, these all levels of data, we can able to see that. So that is concept is called a hierarchies. Okay, that is concept is called as hierarchies. So how we can create a hierarchy and what is exactly the hierarchy? Yeah, give me some examples. What is the hierarchy?
It's like
Hierarchies can be like country, state, city. Things.
yes.
Okay, Good. Country, state, city.
At organization level, it is like VP, AVP.
Exactly. So VP, AVP. On top of VP, we may have the CEO.
Manager.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that is the one hierarchy in employee. It's like if you go with the organization level, that is called an employee hierarchy. Okay, people who are reporting to their managers, so that is called a hierarchy. At the same, if we go with the geographic dimension, in the geographic dimension, we can have a hierarchy like country, state, district, city, and a village. Okay, pin codes. These are all called the one hierarchy, geographic hierarchy. Okay, similarly, if we go with time dimensional hierarchy, how the time dimensional hierarchy will be?
Year,
Year,
month,
quarter,
Yeah,
month, date,
year,
and week.
quarter, month,
month, date.
week, day. Yeah. So we can have this kind of hierarchy in the date. Okay, year, quarter, month, week, and day. This is a hierarchy for the time dimensional hierarchy. So this is all hierarchies. We can build it and we can show the visualization single worksheet level. So how I can create it? How I can create the hierarchies? By default, Tableau, this is sample data with a Tableau, right? That's why the hierarchies are built in already. I'm going to remove them. Okay. So you can see that this is a symbol of hierarchy. This is the symbol of hierarchy. When you go for create the hierarchy, you should know that which is the highest level, which is the parent level, and which is the child level. You need to understand that which is the parent and child. So if you take it as manager and employee, who is the child and who is the parent?
Manager is the parent and
Manager is the parent, child.
Yeah, manager is the parent, employee is the child. Employee report to the manager, right? So he is the one manager can have the multiple childs. Okay, one manager can have the multiple reportees. That's why reportee is the child, manager is the parent. Similarly, manager can have the director, who is the parent of the manager. Parent is director. The director can have the multiple manager report to him. Okay, that's we should know that order. We should know that what is the order of that data. Okay, so here you can see that location dimension already a dimensional hierarchy is created. The highest parent is country. Next, child to country is region. Region become the parent for the state. State become the parent for the city. City become parent for the postal code. Okay, so the order we should know that. So can I put the city directly in top of the country? No, that is not a proper order. State can I put on top of the country? No. Okay, that's not an order. So the order we should be know that. Okay, right? Got this point?
Yes.
yes.
Yeah. So how we can create the hierarchies? Just try to remove this hierarchy. Remove hierarchy option is there. Right mouse on the hierarchy field. Click on remove hierarchy. I have the remove hierarchy and see that the fields are distributed in the data pane. City here based on the order of that ascending descending order kind of thing. So again, I want to go for create a hierarchy for the geographic dimension now. So take any one of the field, not only postal code or region or state, anyone take the any one of the field, right mouse on it. Okay, I'm taking the city, right mouse on it. Okay, you have that hierarchy option. You have that hierarchy option. So add to hierarchy, create hierarchy. Two options you can find it. So this particular city field, you want to add to the existing hierarchy, you can go for add to hierarchy option. No, I want to create a new hierarchy, then go for create hierarchy option. Click on create hierarchy. So name of it, I can give it geo. Okay, hierarchy name is geographic, that's why geo. Click OK. See that the geographic hierarchy is created. Under that, we have the first field is city. So what field next we need to drag it? Countries belong to geographic, right? The globe symbol,
Yes,
wherever you
yes.
can find it, the globe symbolic representation is it's a geographic dimension. Globe symbol, the symbolic representation of that. Drag the country into top of the city or bottom of the city, we can drag it.
Top of
Top of city, above city. above city,
Yeah, above the city we drag it. Region, where we drag the region?
in between country and city.
When we drag the region. And we have the postal code, where we drag it?
Below city,
Below city. Okay, and we have that state. Drag the state into
region and city between.
next to the region. Next to the region. Okay, so this is the order of that hierarchy. So once you created this hierarchy, drag the country region field into rows, drag the country field into rows, and drag the sales into columns. Drag the sales into columns. Can we see this? This is the total sales of the United States. Total sales of the United States. Then go for here. There is a plus symbol in the field. There is a plus symbol. Once you created hierarchy, then only you can find this plus symbol. Click on it. You can see that region-wise sales. Each region-wise, what was the sales happen. Okay. Next, when I click on one more time, see that in the region plus symbol is there. Click on it. You can go with each state-wise sales, how much it is. Each state-wise, how much sales it is. If you click on state, you can go with each city-wise on the particular state, each city-wise, what's the sales. Okay. And for the city, there is one more plus symbol. Click on it. You can go with postal code-wise sales. What was sales of the each and every postal code-wise. So this is the detailed data. I can see it here. Postal code-wise, country, region, state, city, postal code. Okay, this is the detailed data. So this is the way we can go for drill into the detail level. Drill down, we can say that. Drill down. Okay, the granularity level, we are seeing that lowest granularity level data. That's we can call it as drill down. Granularity, least data, which is the available. Postal code is the highest granularity. It's like nothing but a, we are seeing each postal code wise what is the sales is happening. Okay, so drill down, we can call it as a drill down from higher level to dig into the detail level of data. That's we can call it as a drill down. Drill up means from here you are going back to the high level back. Okay, this process is called as drill up. Again, I'm coming back to the country level. So this is the way we can see that detail level of data in a single visualization. Okay, all levels of data in a single visualization. Okay, so this is use of hierarchy. This is the use of hierarchy. Once we build hierarchy, we can get the plus symbol. Okay, and you can go for use that and drill into the detail level. Detail level of data you can see in a single visualization.
Srinivas, just a request. Can we continue
Yeah.
tomorrow? Actually, I mean, today late for office.
Yeah, fine. Okay, yeah, try to work on these things today. And fine. Yeah, for today I'm closing it. Maybe from tomorrow I can take it 11. Even I'm sharing the recording. Anybody missing, you watch that recording. Okay, no issues. If you even Raju, maybe if I take it 10 more minutes or something, I will share you the recording. You can watch it what you are missing. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys, go for try to practice this part for today. Tomorrow we can go for filters concept. Okay, so thoroughly practice every day what we discuss it. It will help you. Okay, and interview questions also. What are the interview questions I'm giving? So try to practice that. Okay. Separately, I'm doing some videos for the interview questions. Once I completed, I will upload it. So if you just following that, it will be helping. Okay.
Okay, Srinivas, thank you.
Yeah. Thank you all. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.